Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today, I'll be teaching you on how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program in order for you to promote products which you can use. So when people click on it and buy the product, you will earn commission on Amazon. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to open your web browser and then type out affiliated program at amazon.com and then click on sign up. Okay, this one. And then at the bottom, you can see the create your Amazon account. So just click on it. So right here, just have to type out your name. So I'll be typing out a name right here, for example, Nico, and then your email address. So I'll be typing out koikoiwork.com, at gmail.com. And then I have to create at least 6 characters for the password. So after that, you just have to enter your password right here. So let's type out Nico underscore 22. Okay, so after checking everything, you just have to click on create your Amazon account. So right here, you just have to click on the pay name. So enter the name exactly as it should appear on the chart. So you have to make sure that the pay name is correct. So I'll be typing out Nico. And then for the address line, I'll be typing out Nico as well. And for the city, I'll be typing out Ligan, for example. For the postal code is 92000 and your province as well. And of course, your countries, just have to click on it. And then your phone number. Okay, so make sure to click on the pay listed above and then click on next. So right here, you just have to enter your website. So for me, I'll be using my YouTube channel. So in order to add that link here, you just have to sign into your YouTube and then click on the share button at the top and then click on copy link. Now you just have to paste the link right in this box and then click on add, and here is your website right here. So now you just have to click on the next button, and then are any of the traffic sources listed above directly promoted at children under 13. So you just have to click on the no option. Okay, so just click on no and then click on confirm. Right after that, you just have to type out your preferred associates store ID. So for me, I'll be typing out just Nico or Koi Work. That's right. And there you just have to tell us about the content you create. You just have to tell them. So for me, I will then just going to type out I create guide videos. So right here, which of the following best describes your content? So for me, I'll be choosing content or niche website. And then here you just have to select where did you hear about this affiliation, and right here you just have to type out this captcha. So it's BCFGRM. You have to type this out correctly so you can proceed to the next step. After that, just click on this back so you agree to the terms and conditions and then click on finish. Then after that, you'll be able to see this congratulatory note. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. So right here, you can see your unique associate ID is Koi Work 20, and you just have to read all of the information right here. And then you can see at the bottom, the enter your payment and tax information. So I'll save that for later. Now that we're finished creating our account, we can go ahead and grab our links. Now, the first thing that I would recommend you do is go to tools, then go to the site Stripe, then just go to learn more. And if you scroll down here, just make sure that the site Stripe is enabled. In that way, when you go to Amazon.com, you would be able to see this section at the top. So right here, you can see the Amazon Associates site Stripe, right? And use the search bar to search for a specific product to promote. For example, I'll be typing out charger and then click on the search icon. So here is a product that I want to promote. So I'm just going to click on this one. Then if we go to Amazon Associate Site Stripe banner, up here you can get a link. So we can get a text link. So you can choose if you want a full link or a short link. So for me, I'll be choosing short link. So just copy the generated link and paste it into your website. So I'm going to highlight this one and copy it. After that, I can put it on my YouTube channel or my blog content or social medias. And if people were to buy after clicking on my link, of course, I will earn a commission. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.